Welcome student. I am Dr. Bharat, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, KRTR, BH Commerce and AM Science, popularly known as KTHM College. Student friends, I am warmly welcome you to today's class. We are talking about GGDT-114, Principle of Population and Settlement Geography. The paper number is 4 and semester number is first. And the topic is population distribution. Today we are going to learn this topic for the density of populations. Density of population in India will be discussed on today's lecture. Student, we will discussion for the last lecture. What is the mean by the population distribution? What is the density of population? What is the different classification of the population density? Will be discussion with the last lecture. The concept of distribution as well as the density of population through the identical, so intimately related to each other for the genuine means reason to the discussion for simultaneously under the same chapter. As I observed that this is a many attempt to the main geographer understanding the complexity of the urban distribution even before the formal development in the field of population geography. Now here will be also consider that it is the earlier year history of human settlement when the distribution was followed by linear pattern. Explanation of the such distribution were not difficult to discover with the spread of population into the vast aerial unit of irregular administrative size. The control of such pattern have become more and more complex, defining in easy to interpretation. The analysis of population distribution and density of hold immense significance of our population geographer. It is successful understanding the hold the key to the analysis of entire demographic character of any area. Measures of distribution of population in concentration. Now must are made between the population distribution and the population density. The distribution of population is more locational. With the density of more proportional, the farmer refer to the spatial pattern in which the population finds such as a linear, dispersed, nucleated and agglomerated. At the latter, I am concerned with the ratio between the size of population and the area. Thus, when one is dealing with distribution, the concern is more for the pattern of spread of population. When one is dealing with density, the concern is more for some kind of man-land ratio. Means this is the very important here. This is the same kind of man and land ratio. There are the several means of describing the spatial pattern of population. Populations of many devices have been developed on proprietary population distribution and population density. Geographers, demographers, sociologists, statistics have also made by the contributions of developing means describe the population distribution and the concentration. One of the most simple way of the measuring the population distribution as a percentage distributions, whereby the percentage of people living in the geographical area of a given class has been computed. For instance, in order to have an idea of the spatial spread of India population, one can place calculated the percentage of country population living in each state and union territory. The sum of all such percentage will total up to the 100%. Now, here will be a discussion for another common practice has been the list as geographical area of a given class is into the rank order. Now here is also is the thing. The geographer have also shown the interest of calculating some other sort for the average percentage of population distribution within the country of any area. The most popular measures in the regards have been the median point called as the center of population. Now the point of minimum aggregate travel and the point of maximum population is potential. Now the median is important here to the calculation for median point. Now geographer is very important to the have been taking to more frequent use of concept of density of population. It is a simple concept of relating to population size of to the land area with the view of the assessing the crudely the pressure of population upon the resource of the data. Thus it is measured in the incidence of population concentration is generally expressed in terms of person per square kilometer and per square mile of land area rather the gross area land and water. The numerator is in this calculation is a population and the denominator of area. Geographers maybe have a multiplying by the numerator and denominator have the devices various types of densities having the various degree of utility in different situations. The objective of course has been the arrive in the better understanding the population relationship. The ratio of this is called as arithmetic density, then physiological density, nutritional density, agriculture density, economic density. These are the some type of density. Now here, very important here to concept, it is the population density. We'll go to the one by one. Now, this is population distribution. This is a topic number 2 is the will be point may be cover for last few lectures. Factors affecting distribution of population density, definition and types. Factors affecting density of populations. Factors population density of India. Now, urbanization definition and stage, and last one is the trends and level of urbanization in India. Now, today's topic is population density of India. This is the last point of the population distribution is chapter number 2. Now, student, the density of population is defined the number of person per square kilometer. It is a very simple definition. Density of population defined as the number of person per square kilometer. Means this is a simple definition. We will already discuss for the definition of density as well as the different types of density. Means there is simple definition as the number of person per square kilometer. It is called as a density. Now, it is an important index of population which is to show the concentration of urban population in a particular area. It is very important here. It is a very important index of population. Very important index of population. Index means this is calculated from the area ratio for lands and populations. Means it is a very index of a calculation for which is show concentration of population in a particular area. Now, as per the provisional population total is the census 2001, the population density of India has gone by the 382 person per square kilometer from the 325 person per square kilometer in 2001. Means the difference between these are the two, namely 2001 census the density of India is 382 person. Now in last 10 years means 2001 census the density of population in India 325%. Means this is the 3 is increase, maybe 325 in 2001 and 382 in 2011. Now on average 74 more people in inhabitant every square kilometer in the country as compared to last decades or last 10 years will be discussion here. Now, the population density of India has gone up to 382% per square kilometer in 2011 from the 325% per square kilometer in 2001. Means here will be 325% to 382% population is growing. Now here the population density. Now see the 1991 is the population per density of population is only 77% per square kilometer in India. Now see the 1911 82, 1921 80, 1931 90, 1941 103, 1951 117, 1961 142, 1971 177, 1981 216, 216, then 1991 267, then 2001 225, and last census 2011 is 382. This is the absolute increase, and as increase will be the difference. First will be population days will day by day and day by decades will be increase will be rapidly. Now this is the density of populations where is the trends of density of population in 1991 to 2011. Now this is the density of population, density of various states of in India. Now Andhra Pradesh, now this is Andhra Pradesh to 308. Now in the 2001 is 277, Arunachal Pradesh 17, and in 2001 13. Then Assam 397 in 2011 census, and the same 2001 is 340. Now go to the next Bihar. Bihar is census 881 in 2001, and now 1102 in 2011 census. Chhattisgarh 154 in 2001 census. Now in year 189 in 2011 census. Goa now to 364 in 364 in 2001 census. Now 2011 is 394. Now Gujarat in 2001 258 person per live in per square kilometer, and now is 2011 is 3.8 per person. Now go to the Haryana. Haryana is 2011 is 573 and 478 in 2001 census. Now Himachal Pradesh 123 and Himachal in 2011 census and 2001 census is 109 persons. Now Jammu Kashmir 124 in 2011 census and 100 is 2001 census. Jharkhand is 414 in 2001 census and 338 is 2001 census. Now Karnataka 319 in 2011 census and 276 in 2001 census. Now Kerala is 859 person in 2001 census and 2011 census and now 819 in 2001 census. Now go to the next state is Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is 236 in 2011 census and 196 in 2001 census. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is 3 and Madhya Pradesh is already discussed. Now go to the Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a 365 in 2011 census, then 2001 is 315 person per square kilometer in Maharashtra. Now in Manipur, Manipur is 122 in 2011 census and 2001 is 103 person. Now Meghalaya. Meghalaya is 132 in 2011 census and now 103 in 2001 census. Now go to the Mizoram. Mizoram is 52 persons per square kilometer in 2011 census. Now 2001 is 142 person per square kilometer in 2001 in Mizoram. Now go to the Orissa. Orissa is 269 person per square kilometer in 2011 census. Now 236 in 2001 census. Punjab 550 in 2011 census and 11 census and 884 in 2001 census. Now Rajasthan 201 is 2011 census and 165 in 2001 census. Sikkim 86 in 2011 census and 76 in 2001 census. Tamil Nadu 555 in 2011 census and now 480 is 2001 census. Tripura 350 in 2001 census of the per person population in Tripura. Now in 2001 census is 305. Now go to the Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh the density of 828 in 2011 census and 2001 is 690 in 2001 census. Uttarakhand 189 in 2011 census and 159 in 2001 census. West Bengal 101029 in 2011 census and now in 2001 census is 903. Andaman and Nicobar Island is 46 person per square kilometer in density of in Andaman Nicobar is only 46 now. In 2001 is 43. Now Chandigarh is 9,252 is 2011 census and now 7,900 in 2001 census. Now Dadra Nagar Haveli 698 in person per square kilometer in Dadra Nagar Haveli and 2001 census is 449. Now Daman and Diu 2169 in 2011 census, and Sem-I 2001 is 1413. Now Delhi 11,297 person per square kilometer, with a highly density population in Delhi. Now the 2001 to 9,340 in Delhi in 2001 census. Lakshadweep 2013 in 2011 census, and same in 2001 is 1,895 census. Pondicherry 2,598 in 2011 census, and same year 2034 in 2001 census. Now Nagaland is 119 in 2011 census, and same year 120 in 2001 census. Now India is 325 in 2001 census, will be increased in 382 person per square kilometer. In overall India is the density of India. It really discuss for one by one state all point we will cover for the density of populations in here. Now go to the next one. Means this is the some density of map. Here will be discussion of the different 2011 census and 2001 census. Here is Jammu Kashmir, and other things will be discussion for one by one. Already compared to the density, compare for 2001 and 2011 census in last slide will be discussed, showing the map for the is understand the better understanding for the where is the concentration of population and where is the where we dense population. Here with this now Bihar, West Bengal, and Union territories for like as Delhi, then Pondicherry are the another one more. This is the comparison density of 2001 and 2011 census. Student will be discussed today with the distribution of density in India. Now which density is high, which density is low. We will discussion now today which were state by state density of population. Now this student, any doubt, any queries, ask me anytime questions. Write a mail bharatgadak@kthmcollege.ec.in. Student, we will be top here. Next lecture will be continue. Next topic we continue. Okay, good day, bye bye.